What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a little cleaning hack I like to use when I don't have much time or simply not in the mood to clean. An easy way to go from messy apartment to clean in 1 hour. Literally, all I do is set a timer for 1 hour on my phone, sometimes less, and race the clock to see how much I can actually get done in the time I set. This is always a great hack because you tend to move a lot quicker because you're just trying to get as much stuff done without the guilt of not being able to tackle everything on your to-do list. And although I am setting it for an hour, there are times when I will only set it for 10 or 15 minutes, all depending on how busy I am. But this is definitely a great cleaning hack for any busy mom. I'm sure we all wish we had more time to get things done, but this particular day was pretty busy. I had some back-to-back calls, important meetings that I needed to join. So typically I will drop Riley off to school and then I will come back and do a little bit of a tidy up from the morning hustle and bustle, but today I didn't have the time to do that. So you guys already saw me making my bed in the middle of the day, and now I am getting around to cleaning up the living room, throwing in a load of laundry, and tackling the things that I didn't get a chance to earlier on in the day.
Tried to move on from your life, so you stole my life with clarity. So hold me back, now you're here, 'cause I'm mad, show no fear. Wanna let you know just how it felt. Oh no, 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 no. Don't you think we're good? There's no way we could be. No, oh no, 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 no. I know the way you look at me, I know it too well. Now I'm putting hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, then my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you.
I'm taking my own advice today that I typically will give Riley, and that is always to clean up after herself. After I fold a load of laundry, I will sometimes let it sit for a day or two because putting it away is such a task. But today I wanted to make sure that I got everything done. I fully folded and put everything away, and I felt so much better by not procrastinating.
Next to you, next to you, next to you. Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, then my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's true, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you. Who would have thought I'd be up on cloud nine? I would never take our love for granted. Love how you make me feel alive when you're with me. Took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, then my broken heart. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's true, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you. Small town, big crowd, and there you were in front of me. Small talk, big thoughts, all we wanted was to escape. This sounds too small for dreams like this. Don't wanna settle down, don't wanna miss out on adventures, things we haven't seen.
Lately, I've been thinking about figuring out a better way of storing and organizing all of Riley's toys. I do like the fact that we're able to display everything and we have bins, but I'm not quite sure if this system is really working for us anymore, and I'm trying to figure out something else that may work better for our lifestyle. So if you guys have any ideas, please make sure to leave them down below, because I'm trying to figure out what I want to do and how to switch things up.
Hands up, such a rush. I love having you here with
quickly finishing up on a second load of laundry before heading over to the bathroom, and we're just going to do a quick wipe down. I think by this time I had about 20 minutes, and I did still also want to tackle the dining room and the kitchen, so we have to move quickly. It's like racing, and it's kind of fun at the same time. It almost makes cleaning a little bit more fun.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane. You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like
The last room in my apartment that we need to tackle, with about maybe 8 minutes left. So I am trying to move as quickly as I possibly can. I'm going to unload the dishwasher, put everything away, and then as you guys can see, there is a pile of dishes in the sink that need to be loaded back up. And there are a couple of dishes that I already know that are in the sink that need to be hand washed, so we will make sure to get that done as well.
we're not okay. I look into your eyes and see you fade away. But we're not the same. It's like we're on two sides of the Milky Way. Somehow we got used to the problems. Baby, we got used to falling. I'm tired of feeling blue when I lose myself to love. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath. is not the way it is supposed to feel. Oh, and I can see there are different paths laid out for you and me. 'Cause baby, I'm a true believer, and I wanna stay true to my feelings. I'm tired of feeling blue when I lose myself to love. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath.
The timer is just about to go off, but honestly, even if it does while I am finishing up, I will just finish what I'm doing because I'm already in the midst and in the flow of things, and it makes no sense just to stop because the timer went off. But it gives you that motivation to get up, move quickly, do what you need to do, and now you can spend the rest of your day doing whatever it is that you please. And honestly, maybe if you live in a bigger house, this is your chance to focus on maybe one floor at a time, but you make this work for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and this really easy cleaning hack that will transform any space.